What's up, y'all? It's your boy KellyB coming at you with another video. I hope everybody's doing well, having an awesome day. Hey, y'all, this Saturday, February the 1st through the 2nd is 2025 Polo Ride. Hey, if you're interested, man, make sure you come and hang out with us. It's gonna be an awesome time, man. Hey, we had such an awesome time last year. It was so much fun meeting new people and just fellowshipping together. Hey, check out this clip right here. It up, baby. The 2024 Polo Ride, and we are out here. What, man? What? Man, this boy was off the chain. We was riding like we've been together for 20 years. Did you see how we were staggered, man? What? Man, come and check it out, man. We went to eat. People went and hung out afterwards, and we just had an awesome time. Let me tell you where the meetup places is. At 8:30, 8 o'clock, somewhere in there, be there at Buc-ee's in Turtle if you're in this area here. If you're in the surrounding area, meet us at the Buc-ee's right in Turtle, Texas, right off of I-20. Kickstands up at 9:30, and then we're gonna get on 20 and we're gonna head that way, and we're gonna meet another group right in Kilgore, Texas. If you're down there in that area and you want to meet us right there in Kilgore, that's the Liberty City and Overton exit right there. So it's got a Shell's gas station over there with a Whataburger on the inside. I will put a link and put the address right down here in the description so you can check it out. If you want to be with us, come on and join us. We will be having an awesome time again this year, and we're gonna ride on into Shreveport and go up to our meetup spot. We're gonna go eat, we're gonna hang out, we're gonna go to Bossier City, check out the Harley Davidson over there. If you didn't catch my video where I went to 3-state Harley Davidson, go check that clip out. A great Harley Davidson over there. We had a great time over there. So y'all, 2025 Polo Ride. Do you hear me, man? Do you hear me? Hey, let's get it down. Let's get it done, baby. Let's get it done. So y'all, meet me there, beat me there, over there in Turtle. Hey, we're gonna have an awesome time, y'all. Y'all stay up. Y'all have a blessed one, man. And check out a few of these clips from last year. Until the next time, the next grind. I love y'all. Peace. Hey, Dwayne, what you want to say to the people about running out of gas on the side of the road?
Have you met my friend Dwayne? This is his bar hopping bike.
It's a bar hopper, bro. It's a bar hopper, bro. It ain't for the highway, bro.
The sparkles in there and everything.
Yeah. And just remember, when it's clean.
Yeah, it's clean. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we know everything dirty right now.